All right, let's look at this question from our textbook. We want to find the equation of a line. Remember, equation of a line means y equals mx plus b. We want it to be parallel to 3x minus 4y equals 12. So that's a different line. But because they're parallel, they're going to have the same slope. So that's going to help me get my m value. And the line that I want has an x-intercept of 6. So that's a point on the line. And that's going to help me finish finding my equation. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to rearrange the line that's given to us because we need to find the slope. Okay, we have to rearrange it to get the slope. So to do that, remember we want y by itself, so we're going to move everything else to the other side. So instead of our 3x that's plussing, we're going to minus 3x from both sides. So that leaves me with minus 4y equals negative 3x plus 12. And I'm just keeping it in my y equals mx plus b order. Divide both sides by negative 4. And we have y equals negative divided by negative is a positive. So I have positive 3x minus 3. So that right there gave me my slope. So there's my slope. Therefore, 3/4 is our slope. That's what we want. Good. All right. Well, now that we have our slope, we're going to use this point on our line to finish solving for the y equals mx plus b, because we still need our y-intercept, right? So step 2, use the point to solve for b, our y-intercept. Good. Okay. So what do I know? I know that I have an x-intercept of 6. So an x-intercept of 6 would get plotted there. That means my y value is 0. So my x is 6. My y is 0. So that's our point. And once we have our point, we put it into our y equals mx plus b. So our y value is 0. Our m value is our 3/4. Our x value is 6. And I need to solve for b. And remember, b is our y-intercept, right? And that's what we're solving for. So let's simplify here. Well, 0 equals, we can simplify this, right? 2 goes into 4 twice, 2 goes into 6 3 times. So 3 times 3 is 9/2 plus b. Minus it from both sides to rearrange. Minus 9/2 minus 9/2. So that means that negative 9/2 is our y-intercept. So we're done. Step 3, write the equation. Write our final equation. So in this case, our final equation is going to be y equals, slope was 3/4, x, and our b is minus 9/2. And we're done.